So I gotta imitate that guy onto there. So I sketched it out using like tools like that. And actually, believe it or not, this tool right here, I got it pushed down to try to imitate the exact shape. Hopefully I can get it to look right. We'll see. Yeah, I'll have to use a little bit of magic on it. Oh, there we go. That should look all right. It's not perfect, but you sort of see the grain. I tried to match the grain. And I just rekeyed it. The key's around here somewhere. It's getting closer. So now I've got to figure out the stain match. I've got to do a little bit of etching with the Dremel, make sure everything fits just right, and then we're done. Okay, here's the finished product. It's not exact, but it's pretty close. And I fit it with a key so that the key, obviously, so that the key can open it. Because it didn't have a lock or a key to the lock before, so. Yeah, that's it. Pretty close, not perfect, good enough maybe.